You get a message, your package couldn't be delivered. Click here to reschedule. You pause, because you did order something recently. So you click. That's the moment the scam starts. This isn't just another random phishing attempt. This is one of the fastest growing scams right now, and it works because it feels normal. As someone who studies how these attacks are designed, I'm going to break this down step by step, so you can recognize it instantly, before it costs you money, data, or access to your accounts. Here's how it usually begins: a text message, an email, sometimes even a WhatsApp message. Delivery failed. Your package is waiting. Confirm your address to avoid return. No panic. No threats. Just a simple, believable situation. That's your first red flag. Tactic 1: Timing and relevance. This scam works because of timing. Most people are expecting a delivery, from online shopping, food, or even documents. Scammers don't need to know what you ordered. They rely on probability. If they send that message to 1,000 people, hundreds will feel like it applies to them. That's not intelligence. That's targeted guessing at scale. Tactic 2: Fake legitimacy. Now let's talk about the link. It often looks real, a name that resembles a courier company. Maybe even a logo, but when you tap it, you're taken to a fake website, designed to look exactly like a trusted delivery service. Same colors. Same layout. Same language. Because they're not trying to hack your device, they're trying to convince you. Tactic 3: The small ask. Here's where it gets dangerous. The site asks for something small: confirm your address. Pay a small redelivery fee. Verify your phone number. It feels harmless. But every piece of information you enter is building a profile. Name. Phone number. Card details. Even login credentials in some cases. Step by step, you're handing it over. Tactic 4: Micropayment trap. Sometimes, they'll ask for a tiny fee. $1. $5. Maybe less. Most people think, it's small, let me just fix this quickly. But that payment page? It's not about the fee, it's about capturing your card details. Once they have that, they can attempt larger transactions later. Tactic 5: Urgency without panic. Notice something subtle: they don't always scare you. Instead, they create gentle urgency. Act now to avoid return. Your package will be sent back. It's calm, but time-sensitive. That combination is powerful. Because it pushes you to act without thinking deeply. What's really happening? Let's be clear about the goal: they want to steal your personal information. Capture your card details. Gain access to your accounts. Or set you up for future attacks. And they do it, without writing a single line of malicious code. This is social engineering. Reality check. Here's the truth most people miss: the message doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be convincing enough, at the right moment. You don't need to be careless to fall for this. You just need to be distracted. How to spot it? So how do you protect yourself? Simple rules: never click delivery links from unknown messages. Always go directly to the official Courier website or app. Be suspicious of any unexpected delivery issue. Never enter card details for random redelivery fees. And most importantly, if something feels slightly off, pause. That pause is your biggest defense. What to do if you clicked? If you've already clicked or entered details, act fast. Contact your bank immediately. Block your card. Change your passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Speed matters here. Scams like this don't rely on technology. They rely on behavior. They're designed to feel normal. So you don't question them. But now you know the pattern. And once you see it, it becomes much harder to fool you. If this opened your eyes, share it with someone. Because the next message they get might look exactly like this. And subscribe for simple, real-world breakdowns of scams, so you stay one step ahead.